A quick look at the outlook for the rest of the week, and starting with Tuesday, we've got a slack west or southwesterly flow across the country, some weak fronts moving in from the Atlantic, rather cloudy skies with drizzly rain on and off much of the day across the western side of Snowdonia and the Lake District, maybe also into Dumfries and Galloway, somewhat brighter across much of the Scottish Highlands, although a few showers towards the far northwest. Winds relatively light, but in the far north you could find wind speeds on the Munros around 20-30 miles per hour, or perhaps locally a little bit more. There's milder air across England and Wales though, and that will edge its way further northwards into Wednesday, so freezing levels rising, and for a time, by Wednesday evening and night at least, will rise above the summits as this warm front moves northwards. Low cloud then, and some outbreaks of drizzly rain running up many of the western mountains from Wales all the way up to the West Highlands. Northern Scotland may escape with a reasonable day to the north of that front, a chilly start with some frost and some low-lying fog patches in the morning. I think cloud and outbreaks of rain just edging further northwards, perhaps just some snow briefly on the highest tops. It looks like winds will then strengthen quickly on Wednesday evening as this area of low pressure just moves in. A cold front passing southeastwards during Thursday daytime then. There is some uncertainty of the absolute timing. It may not be as quick as shown here. It could well be giving rain across Wales, the Lake District, even southern Scotland for a good part of Thursday daytime. Behind that, colder air returns, and we see showers coming in from the west, some snow and hail to increasingly low levels, freezing levels back down to 800 or 900 metres, I would have thought, by this stage, and gale force winds may well stay with us across the mountains most of the day. Friday looks like a gale across the mountains once again. We could well see severe upland gales possible by this stage. Freezing levels dropping further, could be 600 or 700 metres across northern Scotland, so some snow and hail showers coming in once again. Maybe just a more broadly unsettled day across Scotland, a little bit brighter further south across the Pennines and Wales. Heading into the weekend, and a bit of uncertainty with absolute details, but it looks a cold northwesterly that's back with us, with some snow showers coming down from the north at first. Then we're watching what these fronts do towards the southwest. It could be that they start to encroach a bit further northwards, but I fancy that the high pressure system that shows north of Scotland is the one that hangs on, which keeps us in fairly chilly but fairly quiet weather with overnight frost and freezing levels remaining quite low. We'll have more details on the weekend in the full planning video updated during Tuesday, and don't forget as always to check the very latest for your mountain area for the next 3 days on our website.